English Mastery Podcast. Hey everyone! Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly? Yeah? Then welcome to our brand new video designed to improve your English abilities. In this lesson, we're going to dive into a fun and incredibly interactive learning experience that's specifically created to enhance your English speaking skills. Now, we're going to work through a complete 4-part exercise today. Part 1 is listening practice. Part 2 covers essential vocabulary. Part 3 is our listen and answer practice section. And Part 4 is shadowing practice. So, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently and confidently? Awesome! Let's get started right now. Part 1, English listening practice. In this first part, you'll listen to a natural conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on understanding the overall meaning of the conversation as you listen to it. This approach will definitely help you understand real-life conversations much better and more easily. All right, let's listen carefully. Hey, Sarah, I really want to try something new and different, but honestly, I don't know what to do. Like a new hobby or skill? That sounds really fun and exciting. Yeah, exactly. I'm thinking about learning to play the piano or maybe trying photography. Oh, both of those are absolutely great choices. Do you enjoy music more, or are you more into visual arts? I genuinely like both of them. That's honestly the problem right now. I just can't choose between them. Well, it's totally up to you, my friend. What do you feel more excited and passionate about? I think playing the piano sounds really cool and amazing, but I'm a bit nervous and scared about starting. Don't be scared at all. Just go for it without hesitation. You'll never know what you're capable of until you actually try it. You're completely right about that. Maybe I'll sign up for one class and see how it goes for me. That's definitely a good idea and a smart approach. If you don't like it or enjoy it, you can always try photography later instead. Thanks so much, Sarah. You always help me think more clearly about things. Anytime, Michael. I honestly can't wait to hear your first piano song. That'll be so exciting. Part 2, learn vocabulary. Now, let's explore some really useful new words and phrases together in our vocabulary section. I'll clearly explain a few important words and use them in practical example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily and naturally. Let's dive right in. Vocabulary number 1, art. This means making creative things like paintings, drawings, sculptures, or photographs. Example: my younger sister really enjoys doing art projects at school every week. More examples. I love modern art. She studies art history. That's beautiful art. Art museums are fascinating. Contemporary art is interesting. Vocabulary number 2. It's up to you. This phrase means you can choose freely. You decide what to do based on your preference. Example: you can watch a movie tonight or read a book instead. It's completely up to you. More examples. It's totally up to you. The choice is up to you. It's really up to you to decide. Whatever you want, it's up to you. The decision is entirely up to you. Vocabulary number 3. Just go for it. This means try it without fear. Don't be scared or hesitant. Take action and see what happens. Example: you want to sing on stage? Just go for it and don't overthink. More examples. Just go for it. Don't hesitate. Go for it. You should just go for it. Come on, just go for it. Take the chance and go for it. Okay, everyone, I want to remind you of something really important here, guys. Repetition is absolutely crucial and essential to becoming fluent in English. So please make sure you watch this video many, many times. Try to answer all the questions out loud every single time, and you will definitely improve your speaking skills incredibly quickly. Trust the process and keep practicing. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. All right, time for some interactive practice sessions. Listen very carefully to the questions I'm going to ask about the conversation we just heard. Try your absolute best to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers to you. This exercise will genuinely boost both your speaking and listening skills simultaneously. Make sure to repeat this exercise every single day until you can say the answers quickly, smoothly, and confidently without hesitation. Let's begin answering the questions out loud right now. Question 1. Hey Sarah, I want to try something new, but I don't know what to do. What did Michael want to do? He wanted to try something new and different. Question 2. Did Michael know what to do? No, he didn't. He didn't know what to do at all. Question 3. Who does Michael talk to about this? Sarah. He talks to Sarah about his problem. Question 4. Like a new hobby? That sounds fun. Yeah, I'm thinking about learning piano or trying photography. Is Michael thinking about dancing and singing? No, he isn't. He isn't thinking about dancing and singing at all. Question 5. What 2 hobbies is Michael thinking about? Piano and photography. He's thinking about learning piano or trying photography. Question 6. Oh, both are great. Do you enjoy music more or visual arts? What does Sarah ask about Michael's interests? If he enjoys music or visual arts more. She asks what he prefers. Question 7. I like both of them. That's the problem. I can't choose. Does Michael like music more than visual arts? No, he doesn't. He likes both equally. Question 8. Why can't Michael choose between them? Because he likes both music and visual arts equally. Question 9. Well, it's up to you. Who says it's up to you? Sarah. She says it's totally up to him. Question 10. What does Sarah ask Michael to think about? What he feels more excited and passionate about. Question 11. I think playing the piano sounds really cool, but I'm a bit scared. What does Michael think sounds cool? Playing the piano. He thinks playing the piano sounds really cool. Question 12. Is Michael a little nervous about learning piano? Yes, he is. He's a bit scared and nervous about starting. Question 13. Don't be scared. Just go for it. You'll never know until you try. What did Sarah say to Michael about the piano? She said, just go for it without fear. Question 14. Why does Sarah say, just go for it? Because Michael will never know what he's capable of until he actually tries. Question 15. You're right. Maybe I'll sign up for one class and see how it goes. What will Michael do first? Sign up for one class. He'll take one class and see how it goes. Question 16. That's a good idea. If you don't like it, you can try photography later. What can Michael try later if he doesn't enjoy the piano? Photography. He can try photography later instead. Question 17. Thanks, Sarah. You always help me think clearly. Anytime, Michael. I can't wait to hear your first song. Does Sarah help Michael think clearly? Yes, she does. She always helps him think clearly. Question 18. What does Sarah say at the end of the conversation? I can't wait to hear your first piano song. She's excited to hear Michael play. Part 4, Shadowing Practice. Lastly, we have our powerful shadowing practice section. Repeat each line out loud right after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus carefully on the rhythm, intonation, and natural flow of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will significantly sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin right now. Hey, Sarah, I want to try something new, but I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm thinking about learning piano or trying photography. I like both. That's the problem. I can't choose. I think playing the piano sounds really cool, but I'm a bit scared. You're right. Maybe I'll sign up for one class and see how it goes. Thanks, Sarah. You always help me think clearly. Like a new hobby? That sounds fun. Oh, both are great. Do you enjoy music more or visual arts? Well, it's up to you. What do you feel more excited about? Don't be scared. Just go for it. You'll never know until you try. That's a good idea. If you don't like it, you can try photography later. Anytime, Michael. I can't wait to hear your first song. Fantastic job on completing today's English speaking practice, everyone. Keep watching this video every single day for at least 1 week and repeat all the exercises to see significant and amazing improvements in your English skills. I promise you'll notice the difference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Mastery Podcast for tons more helpful content just like this. Happy learning, everyone! Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Now, I highly recommend you watch another great video from English Mastery Podcast too. It will definitely help you improve your English skills even faster, and I absolutely promise you're going to love it. Keep practicing every day. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next exciting lesson. Bye for now.